hands of our manpower to establish the third and fourth lines for ARESCO and assign them to ARESCO, which had previously implemented the first and second lines. On the 15th of September 2021, a joint agreement was completed between ARESCO and ARESCO to establish two production lines to support the needs of the Egyptian and international markets. The main types of equipment used were the grinding mill to grind the raw material, the streamlet for transporting the raw material and packaging, the filters to stay eco-friendly, along with many other types of equipment. Our biggest challenge was beating the time while achieving the highest international quality standards. All of the instructions of the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. We're also proud that ARESCO has operated the third line and is also carrying out the initial operation of the fourth line. Because we can't get enough from reaching successful milestones, we are now planning to implement the fifth and sixth lines. Such success is driven by Al-Qal'a Holdings' desire for economic development, to provide new job opportunities in Egypt and Africa, and open our doors to all parts of the world. Energy. Today, let us explore one of the latest projects of subsidiary of Al-Qal'a Holdings Group, which is renowned for its excellence in petroleum product marketing in the Arab Republic of Egypt. In the Max area in Alexandria, Egypt, ARESCO, a premier comprehensive industrial engineering company under the umbrella of Al-Qal'a Holdings Group, designed by Shakir Consultancy Group, undertook a massive project. We constructed 6 state-of-the-art gasoline and diesel storage tanks. These storage tanks epitomize engineering superiority. We constructed 6 state-of-the-art gasoline and diesel storage tanks with a storage capacity of 4,700 cubic meters, a diameter of 20 meters, a height of 15 meters, and weighing 130 tons. Additionally, there are 2 warehouses, one for gasoline 80 and one for gasoline 92, with a storage capacity of 3,400 cubic meters, a diameter of 17 meters, a height of 15 meters, and an iron weight of 100 tons. Thus, the storage capacity of the warehouses is 17,200 tons of various petroleum products. Each storage tank is meticulously designed, featuring sheet flooring and sidewalls, along with a spiral staircase for easy access to the upper level. The tanks are equipped with the inlet and outlet lines for product flow. Additional lines for controlling excess quantities, maintenance openings, and fire suppression lines, ensuring maximum safety and comprehensive protection. The project also includes an innovative fire suppression system. This system comprises of a fire water tank with a diameter of 12 meters, a height of 10 meters, a storage capacity of up to 1,100 cubic meters, and an iron weight of 50 tons. The pump room houses fire suppression pumps, while the fire suppression pipeline network covers the entire site and storage tanks, with a total weight of 186 tons, encompassing all the pipelines, valves, and fire protection structures. The fire suppression network consists of a 12-inch main line that distributes water to 20 fire hydrant boxes scattered throughout the site. Fire suppression water is also available around the tanks. Furthermore, 3 different fire suppression pumps and 4-inch water pipelines for cooling the tank structure in high-temperature conditions are provided. The foam network includes 8 10-inch hydrants, divided into 6 pipelines for tanks with a 6-inch diameter, 1 pipeline for the product pump room with a 6-inch diameter, and 1 pipeline for the loading area with an 8-inch diameter. We take great pride in the achievements of our dedicated engineers and Egyptian workers, who work tirelessly to safeguard our energy resources in our homeland.
What shall we be building tomorrow? For 100 years, we've been answering this same question. What shall we be building tomorrow? Building teams to give life to what didn't exist before. Building bonds and strong relationships through shared experiences. Building on our heritage to constantly raise our standards as we take on new challenges. Building promising futures for our people, for our community, and for the coming generation. And participating in the building of our nation in every possible way. Wherever the road takes us tomorrow, we shall be building. Building on the very foundation that have set us where we are today. Building with the values which make us who we are. That speaks of our heart. Together, we shall be building tomorrow. ARESCO.